With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, so today we have question that if you place your ear close to an iron railing which is tapped some distance away, so you hear the sound twice. Explain why. So guys, firstly suppose this is your ear. This is your ear, right? Suppose this is your ear. And what is asked in the question? So guys, the question is, suppose this is the iron railing. This is iron railing. This is iron railing. Iron railing. Okay, so if this iron railing is tapped at some distance away, so you hear the sound twice. Why so? So guys, as we all know, the speed of sound varies greatly depending upon the material it is traveling through, right? So the speed of sound in a medium is determined by the combination of medium's rigidity. Okay, so here I can write that the more rigid the medium, the faster of the speed of sound. So more rigid the medium, more rigid the medium, so more the speed of sound. More speed of sound. As we know that iron railing is a rigid body. Okay, so guys, the speed of sound in that was more. Okay, so the speed of sound in air is low. Okay, why? Because air is compressible. Air is compressible. So guys, I can see, suppose this is air particles. They are at a distance. There are some distance at each other. There are a distance between them, these particles. They are the air particles. Okay guys, so this is compressible, whereas the solid or liquid are less compressible. Okay, so we can say that liquid and solids are relatively rigid and very difficult to compress, right? So the speed of sound in such media is generally greater than gases. Okay, so in this case we can see, in this case we can see that this is a solid body, this is a solid body, iron railing is a solid. So firstly we will hear the sound. So we can say that gaseous medium, the air inside it. Okay, so guys, hence since solid are good conductor of sound, okay, and they are very rigid body, so the sound which we hear first is transmitted by the iron. So I can write here in the answer that sound in which is coming from the what? Iron railing. So the sound which we hear first, I can say, sorry, which we hear first, which we hear first is what of? It is transmitted of, it is transmitted by, it is transmitted transmitted by iron, okay, or iron railing. Okay, because we know that sound travel faster in a rigid body. More rigid the sound, more will be the speed of sound, whereas in air the sound is the sound travel at a low speed. I can write it here that the next sound is transmitted by the air particles. So next sound will transmitted by air particles, by air particles, because this is more compressible and this is relatively low compressible, or this is no compressible, as we can see. So guys, iron railing is a rigid body, whereas this is a very much compressible, and its compressibility is very much low. So firstly we will hear the sound which is coming from the transmitted sound of, this is a transmitted sound of iron, and after that we will hear a sound, of air particles. So we hear this sound twice, firstly the sound of iron, and secondly the sound of air. So guys, I hope you understand now. So thank you guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.